Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert text box in Google Docs. Now for us to get this done, we're just going to head over to the part where we want to do that. Say for example, just somewhere here. I'm going to go ahead and hit enter just to give space for the text box. And then from here, we're going to head over to insert, drawing, and new. Now from here, this is where we're going to do things. Now I'm just going to go ahead and click this one right here. Now there are two ways you could do this. You can do it like that. You can just go ahead and create your own, or if you want to say, for example, just have a text box for what you need, just go ahead and left click once, just like so. And from here, I'm going to go ahead and just paste something like that. And then if you want to add a border to this text box, you can do that by clicking this one right here. And you can choose how thick you'd like it to be. I'm going to choose 2 for now. Save and close, and it automatically gives you the text box. So, yep, that's the easiest way you can add text box here in Google Docs.